Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa para chilaquiles. We'll start by gathering the freshest ingredients, which are key to an authentic taste. You'll decide if you prefer a vibrant red or a tangy green salsa. Roasting your vegetables is a crucial step, as it brings out their natural sweetness and adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your finished sauce. This simple technique makes all the difference. For a classic red salsa, you'll need about 5 to 6 ripe Roma tomatoes. If you're leaning towards green, grab 10 to 12 tomatillos and 1 or 2 serrano peppers for a kick. Place your chosen vegetables on a hot comal or a baking sheet. Roast them until they are nicely softened and slightly charred, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is where the magic begins. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide to making delicious chilaquile salsa, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. On another note, for those who love to read while cooking or relaxing, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for finding new recipes or just unwinding. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once roasted, transfer your vegetables to a blender. Add a couple of cloves of garlic, a quarter of an onion, and a small handful of fresh cilantro. Blend until smooth, adding about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth to achieve your preferred consistency. Pour the salsa into a saucepan and simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Don't forget to season with salt to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.